Yo, it is currently Tuesday, August 26th, 8:59, and today my daily bias is neutral. Let's take a look here at the 1 minute. So when we look at the 1 minute, we did sell off and we're slowly climbing up. Same thing goes for the 5, sell off, and a slow little climb up. We can see clear bullish indication. And same with the 15 minute. If we can inverse here, then I will see Asia high as a target. I'm gonna use the 15 minute more so as my condition. The hourly, we technically did inverse this, but we're showing bearish indication now. Same thing with the 4 hour. We have this little ass gap I'd want to see inversed. And then on the daily, we tapped into this daily fair value gap that we created yesterday. So let's look to respect it if we want to be bullish and disrespect it if we want to be bearish. Again, the 15 minute is probably going to be my condition for the day. I want to see this inversed, and then I have good indication that we'd go to Asia. Till then, I think, I just got to see where the market plays out and gives me. So I'll catch you in 30 minutes. All right, here's market open. A little sprint up, probably going to run these equal highs. I don't see us running all the way to Asia, though. Did we run them? All right, maybe we are sprinting for Asia. All right, there's Asia. All right, it just came down and tapped first presented. See what it does now off of Asia. Oh, we're displacing down strongly now off of Asia. Had this 3 minute, but didn't close fully on minis. It closed like to the tick, so, and then look, it's just shooting up. This would have been good though if it actually closed through, because this would have been a good break even point. But so yeah, I caught myself on not taking this because it didn't inverse, thankfully. But I wouldn't have minded if it actually did inverse. So yeah, see, boom, stop loss. All right, if it could do it on this candle, I kind of like this more. Yeah, the SMT's broken, but we did resweep. Remember, Nick, let's be locked in, bro. Let's hope this closes through. Oh, sell. Don't make that same mistake, bro. Trying to pass the Boondocks with this. Come on, man. Going to break even at this internal low. Boys. Guys, I think I just passed my Boondocks, I believe. It hit 53,000. Yeah, I believe I just passed my Boondocks. Let's go. And let's hope for this one to play out. I mean, I'm loving this displacement right now. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's keep dumping, bro. Let's keep dumping. I'm liking that wick up there if we're gonna keep selling down. Let's not be too stingy. Let's just take a ban today. Let's not be too stingy. Let's just take a ban today. We need this to keep selling off. It's all good. Little bullish, one little bullish candle ain't gonna hurt. Bruh. Come on, keep selling off. Yo, what are we doing, guys? All right, maybe we tap the 1 minute and then respect it. That's probably what we're gonna do here. Okay, there we go. It wanted to see how scared I would get. That's what it wanted to do. Hold on, I'll be back. I'll be right back. This bitch went break even on me. Hey, but guess what, boys? Guess what? First account passed. Check that. Let's see. How do I put on the executions? Bang, fucking bang, bro. I fucking did it, dude. I'm very happy I did that. Wow. That's such a good feeling. It's the first of many. That's the first of many. This is the start. Trade ran to 1.7R, bruh. It was up like 900. We're just trying to take 1,000, dude. 1,000. Alright, the rest of the day isn't showing me anything that's like, wow. So, and this bitch really fucking edged me, bro. I was just trying to get me a little band. That would've. Damn, bruh. If I could have made 1,000, that would have been one more trade, and then I had this shit passed. At least I'm risking. I executed. I'm doing what I said I was gonna do. Gabagoo. Okay, let me lock back in, bro. I was in euphoric land. Damn, look at this 15-minute. Ever since that move, PA's been shit, bro. I still have that little euphoric feeling, so. So let's see if we can tap back into it and get an IFVG out. That'll give me conviction just to take it. See, this is why we wait for that structure to form. Now, if we get an inverse out, okay. But this is why we wait for that structure to form. This is why we be patient, bro. See? Would have been fucking banked out. This is why we be patient. Sweep. Hold the 1 minute. Alright, probably just gonna end the recording here, man. We passed that bull knocks, thankfully, man. That was one of the goals this week. And so yeah, I'll catch you during PTC later today. Yo, it is now 1:30 and PTC time, man. So let's go over the trades before I speak about something real quick. So today we took this 2-minute inverse. Sorry I didn't record it, by the way, man. I be forgetting that I have my Boonocks over here, bro. It would have been better to see my Boonocks because today I passed my first account. But we took this 2-minute inverse. Originally we swept Asia high, displaced very nicely. I believe this was going to be a 3-minute. Let me double check. Little 3-minute, yeah, but it didn't close. So right here, I missed it by a tick, and on minis, it closed to the tick. So that doesn't count. We immediately shot back up, reswept, and strong-ass displacement down, market ordered. Boom, bro. I'm fucking following my goals right now, bro. I'm following my rules for fucking once. At the Boonocks, I closed out around, like, right here. This was, like, the 300 mark. I risked 6 cons on Boonocks. On here, I had risked 8. So, yeah, closed out about right here for, you know, like 340 something or whatever it was. Let's see. Oop, almost leaked. 394. So, boom, closed out. And, yeah, that passed the account here. Try to ride it all the way to about just above London around that $1,000 mark. Like, it was like 1,060 and never made it. It got to 1.71. So, yeah, immediately reversed up, broke me even. And then the rest of the day was just a chop fest, bro. It was pretty shitty the rest of the day. Nothing here to really want to target. And then we had equal lows made here on minis. That's why you can't see it here. But then we had this 5-minute get inversed off of an SMT over here. This 5-minute gets inversed. I wanted to see more structure because we had just displaced up and today was just an overall shitty day. So I was going to look for a tap back into the inverse with a 1-minute inverse out. Never got that. Thankfully, never entered that trade because it would have been immediately stopped out. Why the fuck does my iPad keep falling? But yeah, passed my first account today, man. It's the start of something. You know, it's a blessing to pass it. I did it in under 4 months. Under 4 months, I passed this account. So, you know, I'm very thankful to have passed it. But no, yeah, I want to continue that momentum, allow the snowball effect to roll, and just follow my rules. Look what happens when I follow my rules, bro. I finally did it. That was one goal this week. I'm you know, first account, bro. First one. First of many. So I need to continue to my disciplined ways, but I need to be more disciplined in the sense that I need to actually enter these trades I need to, risk correctly and things like that. Like I can see my read on price and everything, but it doesn't matter unless I'm disciplined enough to enter, or I'm disciplined enough to enter with correct size. So let's continue to do that, man. What a day, man. Let's yeah, just a good day.